Hi guys, today we're gonna unbox the cheapest of the cheapest laptop that we have. Now, last time we actually vlogged a Google Chromebook, but that is Chrome OS. Now, we're gonna unbox a Windows OS, and this is the cheapest laptop that we have, which is the Chuwi Herobook Air. So, after this video, we'll be giving this giveaway, which is actually a Samsung Galaxy Tab. Actually, mas mahal pa nga tong freebie na to compared dito sa laptop na ibebenta natin eh. If you want to know the specs of this tablet, we're just gonna put the link on the comment box. So if you want to win a tablet, just simple. Just like our page, subscribe to our page, and hit that notification bell, baka ikaw ang manalo. And after this video, i-announce namin yung panalo nitong Galaxy Tab. And now, let's open this unit and let's see what's inside this Chuwi Herobook Air. So, of course, as usual, there's actually a cushion here. So, napansin namin dito mostly sa mga Chuwi nila is their cushion is ganito sila mag-cover ng unit. So, talagang safe na safe kung ipapa-LBC mo or ipapa-deliver. So, we got here the printed materials. So, nagkaroon na rin kami ng Chuwi na Celeron. That was a media book and it was roughly around mga nasa 15,000. But this unit is actually cheaper than the media book. And now we have here charger of the unit. We got here 12 volts. That's 2 ampere with a 24 watts. So guys, this is the Chuwi Herobook Air. So, my first impression on this unit is actually color gray or sa Mac, tinatawag lang space gray. Kulay na kakulay ng Mac na space gray. There's a Chuwi logo here at the cover, and at the back, there's the model which is the Herobook Air. And then dito sa ilalim, may nakasulat na M.2. Kasi dati walang nakasulat dito, so hindi alam ng consumer or ng customer kung lagayan ba to ng memory o lagayan ba to ng SSD. So, buti nilagyan ni Chuwi ng indication kung ano pwedeng ilagay dito. Alright, so there's a Intel Celeron sticker inside. Hindi siya ganun kalakihan. Yung keys din niya, actually maliit compared sa mga regular laptops. So, wala siyang Chuwi logo dito sa loob. Now, let's talk about the ports of this unit. So, we got here yung saksakan ng charger niya. And then, USB 3.0, a mini HDMI. So, in case na HDMI ang gagamitin mo, kakailangan pa ng converter from normal HDMI to mini HDMI. On the other side, meron dito micro SD slot. And then, a USB 2.0. And then, dito rin yung audio combo jack niya. The dimension of this unit is, the width is 10.9 inch. The depth is 7.5 inch. The height is 0.6 inch. And the weight is not less than a kilo. So, it's actually around roughly nasa 0.9 kilograms lang. Viewing angle of this unit is somewhat 130 degrees, you know, just like other laptops. Bezeled yung screen niya, hindi katulad ng iba na borderless. Now, let's talk about the specification of this Chuwi Herobook Air. The specs is Intel Celeron N4020, so that's 1.1 GHz to 2.8 GHz. So this is a 2 cores and a 2 threads. The memory of this unit is 4 GB that runs with 2133 MHz. The storage is 128 SSD, so that's M.2. And the video card of this is integrated Intel Ultra HD graphics. The operating system is Windows 10 Home. Of course, this is also upgradable to Windows 11 at your choice. And then, the resolution of the screen is 11.6 inch. So this is an HD resolution, which is 1366 by 768. It's not a full HD, but it is an IPS display. So meaning to say, kahit isang angulo mo tignan, it will give you a true color accuracy of the unit. So right now, I'm testing the camera of this unit. This laptop is actually running a 0.3 MP. Maliit yung MP niya compared sa mga ibang laptop kasi mostly, ang average laptop is 0.9 MP. And what you're hearing right now is the audio quality of this unit. So, typing test, I was able to score 52 words per minute. So, medyo nagulat din ako sa result ng score ko. I was expecting it a little bit lower kasi medyo maliliit yung keys niya. To be honest, di ako masyado nakatingin doon sa keyboard. Mostly nakafocus pa rin ako doon sa monitor screen. Hindi naman ako ganun na ilang sa pagta-type. Akala ko kasi maiilang ako dahil sa size of its keyboard. Pero hindi naman pala. So, tracking pad, as usual, the laptop is small. It's only 11.6 inch. So, the size of the tracking pad is malit lang din. So, sakto lang para sa size niya. And by the way, this laptop is not a backlit keyboard and it doesn't have a numpad because it's only 11.6 inch. Stepped across the final crack and we So thank you sa technician natin na nag-open ng chassis ng unit. So this is made in plastic, yung unit na to. And then, kanina sinabi ko dito merong slot ng M.2. Actually, pag tinanggal nyo yung screws na to, ito yung lalabas. So currently may nakakabit na 128. Hindi advisable na tanggalin yung 128 na to. I think it would be best na micro SD card na lang. Kasi pag tinanggal nyo yung 128 na to, palitan nyo ng 256 or 512 SSD, ililipat nyo pa yung Windows dun sa kabilang storage. The current memory of this unit is 4 GB. However, the 4 GB is on board. So hindi upgradable yung 4 GB nito. And almost the unit itself, I think the 50% of the capacity of this chassis is the battery. So I think matagal ang battery life nito compared sa mga regular laptop. And because it is Celeron, normally kasi ang Celeron naman matagal ang battery life. So just to sum it up, to be honest, walang kailangan i-upgrade dito, neither the SSD. Kung gusto mo dagdagan storage nito, pwede mo siyang kabitan ng micro SD card. Wala nang kabitan ng memory. And this laptop comes with a 1-week replacement warranty and a 1-year Chuwi warranty. So tabi na natin to, and then let's talk about the pros and the cons of this unit. Now, let's talk about the pros of this unit. Number 1, it is lightweight because kahit saan mo siyang pwede bitbitin. It's only less than 1 kilogram and maliit lang siya. Pwede siya kahit sa maliit na pouch ninyo. And hindi ka mangangalay bitbitin to. You could actually lift this in one hand while you're doing the typing. And then, the other pros on this unit is actually affordable. Mas mura pa to sa MediaBook. Actually, mas mura pa nga to sa BMax. We'll talk about the price of this unit later. Now, let's talk about the cons of this unit. Number 1, the ports. Medyo nakukulangan ako sa ports. Well, ideally, it has 2 ports. It got USB 3.0 and then USB 2.0. While the standard sana is actually 3 USB ports. And then, one thing that I've noticed about this unit is actually a plastic grade material. Normally kasi yung mga Chuwi ngayon na nakukuha namin, minsan borderless, minsan maganda yung screen, minsan maganda yung aesthetics ng unit na to. Aesthetics ng units ng mga ibang Chuwi. Not like this unit na to. Well, it's because probably it's one of the cheapest unit, kaya nag-save na rin sila doon sa mga tsura and aesthetics of this unit. And lastly, napansin ko sa cons ng unit na to, ang keyboard niya is maliit. So, hindi siya katulad ng mga standard size keyboard. So, luckily for me, medyo sanay, kaya I was able to score high rather than my regular typing test. Pero paano yung sa mga ibang customers na sanay doon sa mga normal size na keyboards? Now, so sino ang target market itong unit na to? Normally, since this is the cheapest laptop, this is napaka-target market ito is mga estudyante. It is actually very affordable. Pwede siya sa mga Zoom or pwede siya sa mga basic Microsoft Office, yung mga ganyan. If you're not doing some AutoCAD or any rendering or any games, pwede na tong unit na to. About the price, normally ang SRP nito is nasa 15,000. But here in Laptop Factory, we're gonna sell it around roughly 14,500. And sometimes we do a sale, baka mas mura pa namin ibenta doon. You can actually purchase this in installment in case na nahihirapan ka magbayad that much. Pwede naman yan pa home credit or pa Billease. We're just gonna send the link down below on how to apply on those terms. And then, if you're interested, you can actually go to our stores nationwide. We're just gonna list the stores at the end of this video. And then, in case na hindi ka taga makapunta sa store namin, don't worry, we do cash on delivery nationwide. Pag here in the Metro Manila, it's our own rider. So, pag naman, outside Metro Manila, pwede naman LBC. So, after this video, ibibigay namin tong tablet na ito. This is a Samsung Galaxy Tab. Actually, mas mahal pa nga tong unit na to compared do sa binavlog natin laptop. So, that is why if you want to win a giveaway, just simple. Just like our page, subscribe to our page, and hit that notification bell. And kasi pagdating natin na 100,000 subscribers, hindi lang tablet ang bibigay namin. Magbibigay kami ng laptop. Okay? So I think I said everything about the laptop and the giveaways. Then again, my name is Dustin from Laptop Factory. Have a good day. Bye-bye. And this is the cheapest laptop that we have, which is the Chuwi Herobook Air. Okay. Ito baliktad! So, the pros of this unit. Now, let's talk about the cons of this unit.